This is an ice storm of December 2008. We have the generator going over there, that red thing, because all the power has run out. Look at all the branches. They're all perfectly ice. Even all of our driveway is ice too. Let's go take a look around everything. Look at that. Whoa, look at those trees. I'm gonna go get a close-up. Oh, look at all this grass. You could stomp on it. This grass is perfectly ice. See? Look at it. Look at it underwater. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Here's a closer look of our woods. Ah, cool. Whoa. Here, look. It looks like an anemone. That is a patch of grass. Looks like a sea anemone. Looks like a sea anemone, Lonnie says. Look at this tree. This is complete ice. Everything is ice here. You can stomp on all the grass. Hey, look at the sea anemone.
Wow.
I haven't even stopped it, Dad.
Tell us about the ice.
What? Okay. This ice is from the ice storm of December 2008. All of it has become ice because of a rainstorm yesterday. Yesterday the rainstorm came on, and overnight the temperature dropped. When the temperature dropped, then it turned everything to ice. And that is how the ice became here.
Very good.
Hey.
Lonnie's standing on the sea anemone.
Look, take a look at all those pine trees. Whoa, look at all of this wood. Look at all the grass, for goodness sake. What happened to your other one of those things?
What things?
That.
Huh?
Your other one of those.
Generator?
Yeah.
I only have one.
Whoa, Mikaela, over here. Wait. Daddy.
What?
Come over here and get the
Wait.
over here.
Oh yeah. Looks like rain coming off the trees. Look at our hammock. You think it's time to bring the hammock in for the winter?
What?
You think it's time to bring the hammock in for the winter?
Oh, perfect.